Manual massage. Clear channels, promote blood circulation, recommended duration, 15 minutes. Apply some oil to your hands and warm it by rubbing it between your hands. Stroke from the neck down to the waist using both hands, and then return to the neck. Finally, gently press the Feng Qi and Feng Fu points. Using both hands, alternately push the Du channel towards the waist, then return to the neck, followed by gentle pressure to the Feng Qi and Feng Fu points. Using both hands, alternately push the bladder meridian towards the waist, then return to the neck, followed by gentle pressure to the Feng Qi and Feng Fu points, starting with the left side. Alternately push the entire scapulothoracic joint using the huku, the area where the thumb and index finger meet, of both hands. Then, push it back towards Dabin meridian, starting with the left side. Push Dabin meridian from the back of the neck with bent fingers of both hands. Push Dabin meridian using the huku of both hands, starting with the left side. Push from the shoulder to waist side section by section with bent fingers of both hands, then return to the shoulder, and push to the elbow. On one side of the back, horizontally push bladder meridian with thumbs, from the scapula to the waist. Alternately stroke from the waist side to the shoulder using palms, and end at the palm. Repeat on the other side. Wipe the treatment area with a towel and apply gel evenly. Treatment application. Clear channels, firm skin, and shape body. Select Rejuvenation. Tap the treatment button. Choose Tight 02. Tap the Start button to initiate the treatment. Push Du channel in 3 sections with the applicator. Push the whole Du channel on the back with the applicator. Push Bladder meridian in 3 sections with the applicator. Push Bladder meridian with the applicator. Glide the applicator in circular motions along bladder meridian to Blieo point. Move the applicator back and forth on Dabin meridian from the neck. Lift the scapula seam back and forth. Move the applicator from the left waist side to the right waist side back and forth. Wipe the treatment area with a towel. Note: avoid sauna, hot springs, or strenuous exercise after treatment. Take a shower 4 to 6 hours later after treatment. Keep warm, do not eat cold, spicy, or stimulating food. Drink a lot of warm water, and keep hydrating to promote metabolism. Take 2 to 3 sessions a week, and a course of treatment is made up of 12 sessions. Contraindications: pregnant or lactating women, individuals with heart disease or pacemaker, those with unhealed surgical wounds or in the recovery period, individuals with epilepsy, severe diabetes, hyperthyroidism, or malignant tumors, people with skin disease or infectious disease.